Here we go. This is the how to get the gold medal trophy.
You got a visitor.
Guide, achievement, whatever. Somebody's speaking.
Shut up, you.
Fuck this, let's skip all this, let's just get the trophy.
Come on then, Marson. Follow me.
Accompany him to, I'm not going to accompany, just run. Basically what you need to do is beat the mission under 2 minutes and 30 seconds and score 100% headshots. And that's what we're doing. We'll go ahead and skip everything just to make everything a lot faster.
Walton's the top screw. Let's get out.
La coerrazo. Oh, come on, fucking horse. I'll get yours. Right, so basically what you do is just you run after him, really.
Walton's as bad as you say he is. Why don't we just beat him now while we got the chance?
Because
You go as soon as you can. Sorry, as soon as you can, as quick as you can to get him, because you need to do the mission in under 2 minutes and 30. And this is I think there's only 4 kills you have to do it, or 5.
Outlaw's easy money for easy work.
Shola Springs, Gapple Tooth Bridge, keep boys get around. Walton's
cool.
the start, but there's plenty more where he came from.
Come on.
Come on, hurry up.
Must be at the old place.
Ah.
We take it on foot from here.
Go, quick. Come on. Hurry.
Arston, I got you covered.
Over here.
Over that wagon.
Oh wait, there's a dude here. No. Faggot. Headshot, bam.
You fellas just hit the ground with your hat.
Headshot. Headshot. And then the dude's inside here. Where is he? Got him. Oh shit, there's a dude that fucking escaped, didn't he? Where is he? That's a fucking headshot all day long.
I'd have preferred him to swing.
There you go, got him.
Can't be choosers. At least
That's
not
true,
so
you
far.
can't be choosers. Here we go.
Not a bad shot, Mr. Marston.
Let's see. It should start bleeping soon saying you got a trophy. Come on, do the beep. Do the beep. Oh, it needs to fucking load a bit. Dude, that loading takes fucking too long on this. It takes forever. Come on. Malaco brazo. Oh, come on, man. Enough with the loading, dude. There you go, saving. We'll get out of the saloon. There you go, gold medal. You have earned yourself a trophy. Sweet. So basically, there you go. You can get a nice gold trophy within 2 minutes and 30. Just be quick about it. Headshot everybody and just sort of race. Don't go behind the marshal. Just race there, really, where you're going. When you complete a mission in the highest potential, you became more famous. Sweet. I'm fucking a legend of the West. Right. Hopefully you enjoy it and go ahead and get yourself a trophy. More stuff coming soon. Alright, see you later.